Stop, no, stop, no, no!
Yay, I enjoyed death.
Okay, let's just not die, I guess. Okay, hold
Wait,
on.
the 100k cart's gone.
No! I actually like that. Oh no, you ruined the spot. Oh no. Okay, I can just no. Jesus Christ, I can't trust you. No, no, okay, wait, get one on. Wait. Attach it. No. Attach it. We need to make it. We need fuel. Oh. No, stop. Stop touching me. What are you doing? Actually,
David hates him.
I'm gonna get away from you. Oh my god.
I'll move the stuff.
Okay, wait. We need this. We need this. We need this. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. Just give me a call. Hold on, give me a call. No.
No.
No. Okay, screw you. No! Let's go. Let's go on a wonderful adventure where we die. Eventually. Because this is what you do in this.
Yay.
I swear these expensive fuel bottles give us extra fuel. Oh my god.
5% for making a single mistake at the beginning of the game.
Right, unless you just decouple me, I'll just take it.
Okay. Don't worry, it's fine. It's just an explosive barrel. It's not gonna disintegrate you. I think I can just straight up drive up the hill with this. Okay, I'll see you at the next checkpoint, I guess. Yeah. Okay, on adios. Okay, bye bye. He's just standing there, sitting there. Stop! No! Oh no! Stop! Uh-oh. Car, please slow down. Slow down. No, that's the wrong way. Slow down. Whew. I fear. He's just walking. Oh my god. No, he's walking. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Oh my, I can't sing. Where is he? Did you flipping screaming man? Do you scream? Screaming man screams. Why are you screaming? Screams. Oh, really? Okay. Here's coming. No, don't slip if you can hear me. Don't slip. No, I'm running away now. No. Don't believe me, please. No. I hate batteries. This is the one. Oh my god, just go in. Stupid battery. Man. No. Come on.
That's 3 out of 4.
Come on. Get in. Yes. Come on. Yes. Go. As I'm conducting, as long as I conduct this card.
I'm gonna touch anything, because I know if I touch anything, we are going to die.
Oh no, fuel, I forgot this sad fuel. Oh, gotta make them all count.
It's got like nearly full fuel, what do you mean?
Okay, I'd like...
We only lost the thing,
Wait. Oh no, wait, our fuel, look! Oh no! Okay, hold on. I think I might be able to get. Wait. For this elevator
How
thing.
come this is the furthest I've been in this game, and we're in a car with a fuel tank, bro?
I don't know. Okay, listen. Here's how it's done. Okay, jump out the car. I need you to get out. Get in. Okay, listen, yeah? I'm gonna get the car on the track. Don't sit in the car because I can't grab it. Get out, okay?
You moved it into my anus.
I've been grabbed by.
Wait, it has no fuel tank. It has no fuel tank. Wait, it has no fuel. Wait. Seriously, wait, no, dude, wait. Actually, wait. No, seriously, dude, wait. Oh my god, get out. Dude, it has no fuel tank. That had no fuel. You know that had no fuel tank, right? That was glitched, so we couldn't beat the game with that, but okay. How do we get this child to move?
Tell me.
Okay, look, the spam forward arrow on this for me. Go. There's something with sound effect. Okay, no. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I swear, if
What?
you know what?
What? What are you gonna do?
If anybody is watching this, please spam ahoy SpongeBob me Bob, I have been grabbed by Luigi in the comments.
What have you done? What have you done? No! Say something.
You fight with the conviction of a chocolate eclair!
Oh look what Stuffgood said. Guys, please don't forget about me!
Are you not funny?
No. Oh my god, oh no. Oh but whoa. No. No, please. No, he's coming. No. I need to run. He's waiting to push me rapidly. No. Oh my god. Well, I've never experienced so much fear in my life.
Because I got greedy and wasted air. I'm now going to take 93.
Oh, please don't bully me. Let me throw it. Yeah. My battery. Mine! Yeah. No! I'm sorry! My god, it's loud! Okay.
Let's hope that this time our fuel will get blown off. Not again! What if I jumped off the map?
Don't, please.
No. Okay,
Don't.
the good thing is, it's still there.
What was that sound you made? Bye bye! Adios! I said fast! I said fast! I didn't say fat, I swear! Then what are you? So you're saying everyone on Roblox is big boned? I'm not calling you fat!
Get away with this.
I will get away!
Get away with this.
I will!
I will tell you.
Stop! No!
I'll use that. I can't still go. You won't get away with this. You see?
You can't do anything. You can't do anything. I'm sending you a Christmas present. Be thankful. He died. I swear to God, if that gun ruins my life again. Let it go. Go. Okay, oh no, my fuel's going down now. Okay. Alright, Chippy. Okay. Now I actually have a fuel tank. I shouldn't screw out of this the frick up. If I screw this up, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Piano. No. Okay, that's fine. So just keep it going. Do this. Just a little derailment. Just a little derailment. See? Nothing to worry about. Whatever. Give me gas. Alright, here we go. Real hard now. Okay. Yes, it's super pretty, I think. Okay. This thing. Sheesh. Okay. Jesus Christ, oh no. The dark trap. Okay, all my fuels are gonna off. Go. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh boy, wait. I cheated! Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's how I get past the blue. Oh, I have to go through it. Oh my god, my fuel! My fuel! No! Get through it. Oh my god. My fuel. He's dying. Let me just... Ha. fire lava. Oh, here it is. Is it a bit further ahead? Can I protect it now? Whoa. No, I can't. Go! Quick. Come on! Nivian. No!